takes place in Kazan, Russia, on the 22nd of October. It is the summit meeting of BRICS. And at that meeting, it is thought that a series of very important decisions will be made, everything from exchange rates to investment to currencies, so on, that if those decisions were taken, then it would be an attack, as it were, on America and her allies' fiat system. In other words, if allowed to mature, it would place America's hegemony on full alert. I am pretty sure that currency will be on the agenda. I think the path will be laid out as to where they are going, which will be based on 40% of the asset behind the new currency, based on 40% gold, 60% on member countries' currencies. But those in turn will be linked into gold. So gold comes back into the monetary